You'll find all your coverings for the block out barn doors, driver's door and front windscreen right here underneath your bed. They are labelled to suit each position. Here I've just opened up the barn door bag. It is actually labelled left and right. This is for your left barn door. Just magnetise there. There we go, your blinds for your driver's door just there. It's always done better with the doors closed when you do it. Driver's side door just here. Just magnetise. They hold nice and tight. And then you've got the front coverings for the front windscreen, nicely labelled. And then you pull your visor down. Just better. Living in a bubble, ice green mosquito nets. So you'll just take it out from there. The one with the magnets in the middle is for the sliding door, and they are also labelled. So we'll just open it up right now. So they just magnetise on the opening, just there. And you can pop it open like that. With the fly screen, you can close the sliding door. The only issue is you've got to make sure that the fly screen does not go into that. It's clear of that. Make sure it's clear of that just there. And this has to be outside the rail up top. Otherwise it'll get caught. You've got another provision there where it can get hit, but it has to magnetise and tuck in to this spot here. So once it's tucked into that spot there, close the sliding door. So you've got your fly screen for the barn doors. They just magnetise up there. The one with the zip is for the back part here. You've got multiple points of where you can zip, there and at the bottom. If you do want to close your barn doors, you just have to make sure that the magnets are clear of this point, as when you close your barn doors, it will go into the fly. So make sure your fly screen is away from this part. You can just go like that.